Termux Basics.
Today's basic is the command package, or PKG. PKG is the preferred package manager for Termux. It is a wrapper that performs a number of tasks and provides command shortcuts. For example, you could input PKG in instead of PKG install and achieve the same result. PKG automatically runs apt update before installing a package and even performs some client-side repository load balancing by automatically switching mirrors on a regular basis. This helps prevent the Termux repo servers from hitting their quota limit on hosting. Staying under quota limits means more active mirrors, faster downloads, and more availability for on-demand updates, which, in the long run, will help keep Termux free of cost to the end user. A question that's often asked, it sounds like PKG is just like APT, so can I just use APT instead? Here's the short answer. Yes, it is very similar. And if you're some kind of grassroots Linux freak who can't control themselves from using APT instead of the package manager designed for Termux, you can use it. Just remember to run apt update before installing anything and you should be fine. Have you ever noticed in a world full of the brightest people, a lot of dull questions are often asked? That's kind of like asking, hey, can I use a flathead screwdriver on a Phillips head screw? Chances are it'll work fine, but why not instead use the tool that was designed specifically for the task at hand, which, by the way, is sitting right next to the flathead screwdriver in your toolbox? To view all command options available with PKG, run PKG help to output a complete list to your terminal screen.
That means we're finished. But if you dare to leave before viewing the end credits, we're going to be having words then, son.